If the number 91876x2 is completely divisible by 8, find the value of the smallest whole number in place of x. First, what's the meaning of this completely divisible? If you divide this number by 8, then you will get remainder equal to 0. For example, we can say that 10 is completely divisible by 2, because when you divide 10 by 2, 10, you will get remainder equal to 0. Okay. Now, based on a condition, we can find out the value of x. Okay. And the condition is for a number to be divisible by 8, then the last 3 digits of the number must be divisible by 8. Means, that is, if this number is completely divisible by 8, means this last 3 digits, that is 6x2, last 3 digits 6x2 must be divisible by 8. Okay, that is, when you divide 6x2 by 8, then remainder should be 0. Now consider an example. Okay, consider a number which is divisible by 8. For example, 50568. It is divisible by 8. That is, if you divide it by 8, 648 minus 25, 3, 24, 25 minus 24, 6, next is 16, 2, 16, 8, 1, 8, 0. Remainder equal to 0. That is, 8 is a factor of 50568. Or we can say that this number is completely divisible by 8. Now our condition is, if a number is divisible by 8, then the last 3 digits must be divisible by 8, right? So here last 3 digits, 5, 6 and 5, 6, 8. Okay, we can check it. 5, 6, 8 divided by 8, 7, 56, 0, 56 minus 56, 0, 8, 1, 8, remainder equal to 0. That is, 568 is completely divisible by 8. That is, here given that this number is divisible by 8. Now as per this condition, we can say that last 3 digit, that is 6x2, also divisible by 8. And it is given in the question, x is a whole number. First check when x equal to 1. Then number is 612 divided by 8. 7, 56, 61 minus 56 is 5, 52, 6, 48, 52 minus 48, 4. Not equal to 0. Remainder is not equal to 0, which implies 612 is not divisible by 8. Not divisible. Okay. Next, when x equal to 2. When x equal to 2. So 622 divided by 8. Again 7, 56, 62 minus 56 is 6. That is 12 minus 6, 62. Again 7, 56, 62 minus 56, 5. Again remainder is not equal to 0. That is not divisible. 622 is not divisible by 8. Okay. Now next, when x equal to 3. When x equal to 3. that is 6, 3, 2. Divide by 8. Again 7, 56. 63 minus 56 is 7. 72, 9. 9 into 8, 72. 72 minus 72, remainder. So remainder is equal to 0, which implies 632 is divisible by 8. So the smallest whole number in place of x. 6x2 in place of x is 3. X equal to 3.